Hello everyone. In my last video, I have shown you how to issue full refund to customer. In this video, I will show you how to refund partial. This is the conversation between me and the buyer. Buyer does not like the product and found defect, so I offer him £7 partial refund and the buyer agrees. Now I will show you how to refund that partial refund. In order to issue partial refund, you need to go to order page. In order to go order page, click on order page and then click on refund order. Now click on issue partial refund and select the reason for refund. As the product received by customer is slightly defective, so I will select the option that product is slightly defective. After selecting the reason, write the partial refund amount. In my case it is £7 that is agreed between me and customer. Click on save and now click on submit refund. Within few seconds the amount will be credited to customer account and you can confirm it on order page. As you can see that the refund amount is minus from your order amount. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.